Senator Cleary, you stood up and you made a pretty impassioned argument against it. And one of the things you said very specifically was that our librarians are not pornographers, they're not pedophiles, they're not groomers. Talk a little bit about that moment for us.
When we were debating that bill, I did get a little frustrated with the fact that there's this connotation that these folks who are doing a really hard job, whether they're teachers or they're librarians and they're providing a public service, that they're being sort of vilified in this way. And, on that bill, I made it pretty clear what my concerns were on when I spoke on the floor. When we bring in a state's attorney to a situation like that, we're basically bringing law enforcement into a conversation about books in the library. And I go to the library with my kids a couple of times a month. If there's an issue that needs to be resolved, I feel pretty confident in our ability as adults to figure that out without having to call the police on my librarian. So when we talk about things related to censorship or book banning, I don't think that's ultimately the goal here. But when you bring law enforcement into a dispute about kids' books, there is a pretty heavy-handed response to that, and I just couldn't support a bill like that.